In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblur your videos in CapCut. So if you have some video footage that's blurry like you see on the screen here, I'm going to show you a couple of settings to go in unblur this video. Now the first thing we're going to do is click on Effects in the top navigation and then click on the search box and go and type in Sharpen Edge and press search. Now you should see this effect called Sharpen Edges. Go and drag it to your video. Now go and reduce the blur all the way down to 0. You can then go and adjust the sharpen slider. Make sure this isn't set too high as we want to keep the video as natural as possible. You can also do the same thing for the size as well, so I'm going to set mine to around about 5, and then you can go and change the range and also the filter to your liking. Now you can see that this video is already starting to look better. So the next thing we're going to do is select your video once again and click on the video tab in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down and select enhance quality. Click on allow. And then you'll just need to wait for this to get to 100%. Now by default the level will be set to HD, but if you want to go and improve the video quality even further, you can set this to UHD. Now once you finish with all of your changes, go and press export in the top right hand side. For the resolution, click on the drop down arrow and we're actually going to upscale this to 4K. You can then go and press export. Now once your video is exported, you should have the final video that's now unblurred. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.